This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering the mouse and putting it into pairing mode so the iPhone can see it. Open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Keep the Bluetooth screen visible while the mouse advertises itself. Next, enable Accessibility Right Arrow Assistive Touch if you want full pointer controls and pointer customization. This step gives you cursor behavior that mirrors a trackpad. Once done, the device should appear under Other Devices. This sequence ensures the phone and mouse negotiate a reliable connection quickly. When the mouse shows up in Bluetooth, tap its name. Accept any pairing prompts you see. If a code appears, enter it or confirm. Most mice use simple confirmation. Once paired, go to Accessibility Right Arrow Pointer Control to tune pointer size, color contrast, and tracking speed so the cursor feels natural. Adjust the tracking speed slider and test scrolling behavior in Safari or Notes. These tweaks reduce lag and make selection precise, so you know why each setting matters for daily use. Finish by testing left/right clicks, scrolling, and any extra buttons across Mail, Safari, and the home screen to confirm behavior. If you need to disconnect, manage the mouse from Settings, right arrow Bluetooth to forget or rename it. Make sure batteries are charged and range is within a few meters. If the mouse won't connect, restart Bluetooth on the iPhone and power cycle the mouse. If that fails, toggle Assistive Touch or restart the phone. This single troubleshooting step resolves most pairing glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.